All right, here we go. This is 23 Legacy Football Hobby Box, PYT 457. We have 2 autos per box, so we're going to be at 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Grab those spots. Here. And we have 10 spots left in our retail break. We link that. So if you guys want to grab any Prism retail spots, now's the time to do it. Link is pinned in the chat. Get your guesses in on this one. Good luck to everybody in this break. Here's pack number 1, PYT 457. Jalen Hurts, DK Metcalf, Devon Achane out of 299. Zay Flowers on the prize prospects. Ray Lewis, Jason Taylor. We have Michael Mayer and Bryce Young. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto out of this break for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to get a guess in on it. Get your guesses in now. There's Isaiah Pacheco, Desmond Ritter, Justin Jefferson. We have Tank Dell on the silver Optichrome rookie right there for Houston. We have Kurt Warner, Bruce Smith, Andre Carter, Zach Charbonnet. Next pack. Mini in this one. Should have 2 minis per box as well. There's Myles Garrett. Christian Watson. First of 2 minis. Again, if any autos are replaced by Panini points, we will random those off to someone in the break. That is Derwin James for the Chargers on that mini. Non-numbered. Fran Tarkenton on the Decade of Dominance. Warren Moon. Ozzie Newsome. Cam Smith. Rashee Rice. This pack we have Damian Pierce. Mike Evans. Paul Krause for Minnesota out of 100 on the Decades of Dominance. 77 out of 100. Under the Lights, Daniel Jones. Then we have Emmitt Smith, Thurman Thomas, Paris Johnson Jr., Hendon Hooker. Do one more pack here, then we'll top load what we have. 10 teams left in our 23 Prism retail. Josh Jacobs. Breece Hall, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys for the ages, Steve Young for the Buccaneers, Maurice Jones-Drew, Rakeem Jarrett rookie, and Devon Witherspoon rookie right there. Top load these, we'll get through a rest. Your guesses in for the players on our last auto out of this break. We should have 2 autos left in this box. We should have 1 more mini left in here as well. Good luck to all those in the break. Everyone getting those guesses in. Next pack. We have Kenneth Walker, Chris Jones. We have our first auto. It's going to be the Pittsburgh, Darnell Washington, silver rookie Optichrome auto. One is not numbered. I sit there, Pittsburgh, as auto number 1. We should have one more auto. Again, if that auto coming up is replaced by Panini points, we will random those off to someone in the break. Jackson Smith and Jigba, Dan Marino, Randy Moss, Jalen Hyatt, and Devon A. Chan. Back. Roquan Smith for the Ravens. Dalvin Cook. We have a rookie right here. Will Anderson Jr. for Houston. That is going to be out of 150, 142 out of 150. Blast from the past. Tony Dorsett for the Broncos. Hines Ward. Joe Theismann. We have Xavier Hutchinson and Will Anderson. Next pack. You might have a Dare to Tear coming up. There's Nick Chubb, Aaron Rodgers. It is a Dare to Tear. That is Josh Downs out of 65. That's 6 out of 65. So on this, there's a spot in the back. You can tear this card open. There's a mini card inside. You take a gamble on what that mini card might be in there, but that's Josh Downs, Dare to Tear, or Indy. Nolan Smith, rookie Optichrome. Brian Urlacher, Vernon Davis, Zach Evans, and Christian Gonzalez. Next pack. Prism Retail is up next. Grab your spots. Link is pinned to the top of the chat. We have another mini. This is our second and final mini. Vonta Smith, Chris Godwin, and it's a rookie silver Miles Murphy. Miles Murphy on the final mini of the break. Again, we should still have one more auto left in here as well. You guys are guessing the player on that last auto. 20 in credit. Back. We have Michael Parsons, DeMarcus Ware on the Generations for the Cowboys. Michael Vick, Earl Campbell, Tank Dell for Houston. Peter Skoronski for Tennessee. Next back. 2023 Prism Retail football is up next. Joe Burrow, Dexter Lawrence, Jimmy Garoppolo out of 299, 78 out of 299. For the ages, Deion Sanders, Derek Johnson, Sean Alexander. There's Anthony Richardson, rookie for the Colts. Then we have Dontavian Wicks. Last two packs. Then we'll top load recap and then move on to our retail break. Aiden Hutchinson, Geno Smith, Travis Kelce, Warren Moon for the Oilers, William Refrigerator Perry there, Chris Carter, Nolan Smith, and Jordan Addison. Last pack should have an auto in here. Let's hope so. It looks like we may have. We have Mark Andrews, Kirk Cousins, and we do have an auto. It is going to be Zach Evans on the orange Optichrome rookie auto. That is out of 149. 58 out of 149 on the Zach Evans. The guess of the break. Then we have a Stephon Diggs orange under the lights Optichrome for the Bills. That's out of 149. 110 out of 149. Randall Cunningham for the Eagles. Herschel Walker for the Eagles. Quentin Johnston for San Diego, and Keyshawn Butte for New England. Let's top load, recap, and then move on to our Prism retail break coming up next. And if you guys want to grab a team in this one, link is pinned to the top of the chat. All right, let's do the recap here. You look at that link up pinned in the chat. It'll tell you what teams are available. There were 10 teams left last I looked. Out of 150, Will Anderson. Out of 65, the Dare to Tear, that's Josh Downs. Nolan Smith on the Optichrome. Out of 299, that's Jimmy G. Anthony Richardson. Stephon Diggs under the lights orange out of 149. Devon Achane out of 299. Bryce Young, Tank Dell silver out of 100, that's Paul Krause. Derwin James for the Chargers on the silver Optichrome mini. Darnell Washington on the silver Optichrome rookie. Miles Murphy on the silver Optichrome rookie mini. And Zach Evans was the guest of the break. That was out of 149 on the Optichrome rookie orange right there. All right, that does it for this one. Up next is going to be our Prism retail football break. That is coming up next. Teams are left in this one.